Okay. Example 11. A to the power of negative 2 equal to 1 over A to the power of 2. Macam tadi saya kata, ini adalah numerator. Bila numerator, kita akan jadikan dia denominator. From negative index number become to positive index number. Okay. Macam tadi yang saya terang, siapa yang dah tertinggal. This is negative index number become positive index number. From numerator, this is numerator, become denominator. Okay. So let's say C. Example 11C. 1 over 8 to the power of negative 5. This is denominator. And this is negative number. Become to positive index number. From denominator, it will become numerator. Okay, 8 to the power of negative 5. 1 over 8 to the power of negative 5 is 8 to the power of 5. Okay, here, this is denominator. To change to positive index number, the answer will become numerator. So 1 over y to the power of negative 9 equal to y to the power of 9. Okay, this is example 11. Okay, next. E. 2m to the power of negative 3. This is equal to 2 because 2 no index, so we just copy. M, this is numerator, become denominator. From index negative, negative index number, index form, become to positive index form. Okay, from numerator, become denominator. From numerator, become denominator. From denominator, become numerator. Okay, dia terbalik macam tu. So, let's see another example. 2, okay, ni dia tak tulis 1. Ni saya saja tambah tadi waktu saya terang. So 2m to the power of negative 3 in bracket and power of negative 1. So 2 means 1, 2 power of 1. Okay, so if bracket here, we need to multiply the index. So 1 multiply negative 1 become negative 1. And negative 3 times negative 1 become positive 3. So 2 power of negative 1, this is 1 over 2. Okay, because this is numerator, negative index form. Change to positive index form. From 2 power of negative 1 become 1 over 2. And here we copy. Okay, this is additional example. And F. 3 over 5 n to the power of negative 8. No index at the coefficient, so we just copy. Then next, this is numerator. This is index, negative index form. We change to positive index form. From numerator become denominator. So 1 over n to the power of 8. And we can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 5 multiplied n power of 8 is 5n power of 8. This is example F. Next, example G. This is important because you need to know the basic of fraction actually. This is negative index form. This is numerator. I want to change to denominator. It's become 1 over, okay, 2 over 3 in bracket power of 10. This is fraction in fraction. So how to simplify? This is 1, this is 1, divided by 2 over 3 power of 10. I change from this form, I write in this form. Okay, this is divide. Division means divide. Okay, and when divide fraction, when divide fraction, I can, okay, saya boleh tulis macam tu pun boleh. So, when divide fraction, kita akan jadi darab. And ini akan terbalik. Ini dah belajar waktu sekolah rendah kan. Bila dia darab pecahan, bahagi pecahan, dia akan terbalik pecahan tu dan operasi dia akan berubah. So, jawapan sini akan jadi 3 to the power of 10 over 2 power of 10. Or final answer, 3 over 2 to the power of 10. Ini soalan example 11. Example 11. G. Example 11G. Okay. Example 11 1G. Page 15.
Kalau kau record atas ni, record lah baby.
Ha? Mute mute. Boleh ke? Dekat example dekat buku teks, solution dia terus bagi 2 over 3 negative 10, terus dapat 3 over 2 power of 10. Kalau awak dah mahir, boleh terus saja tulis. Ini saya ajar sebenarnya step ni awak perlu tahu. Memang perlu tahu dalam fraction. Kalau nak terus dari sini ke jawapan terus boleh. Tapi ini memang awak kena tahulah kenapa dia jadi macam tu. Okay. Boleh saya teruskan?
Boleh cikgu, boleh.
Okay. Sebab lepas ni awak akan jumpa bentuk macam tu lagi. Okay. Next. Example 11. H. X over Y power of negative 7. So ini sebenarnya boleh terus terbalik macam tadi. Y over X equal to, Y over X power of 7. Terus boleh. Nanti ada murid tanya saya macam mana pula boleh dapat macam ni. Saya terangkanlah terus. Okay. Saya terang lagi cara yang tadi ya. Siapa yang dah tahu boleh terus saja buat macam ni. So X over Y to the power of negative 7. This is numerator. All term here is over 1. So from negative index form, I change to positive index form. Become 1 over X over Y to the power of 7. And here I write in this form, X over Y power of 7. When divide fraction, change to multiply, and here we'll change Y over X in bracket 7. So final answer, Y over X power of 7. Okay. Tak nak buat langkah ini tak apa, tak ada masalah. Tapi kena tahu kenapa jadi macam ni. Terus saja. From negative become positive index form. So the fraction dia akan terbalik. Okay. So next. Number 2. State each of the following in negative index form. Okay, ni terbalik pula. 1 over 3 to the power of 4. From positive index form, we change to negative index form. So from denominator become numerator. So kita tambahkan negatif. Okay, B. 1 over m to the power of 5. So this is equal to m to the power of negative 5. C. 7 to the power of 5. Change to negative. From numerator become
7,
denominator. So this is 5
7
become negative
negative
5.
5.
Here,
1. 1.
yes, 1. Next, D, n to the power of 20. So positive index number become negative. Numerator become denominator, negative 20. And here will be
1.
1. Yes. Okay, next. E. 4 over 5 to the power of 8. So this is positive index form. We change to negative index form, become negative 8. 4 over 5 will become
5 over 4.
5 over 4. Very good. So how can get 5 over 4? So 4 over 5 is the method, the solution. 4 over 5 to the power of 8. This is numerator. This is numerator over 1. We change to denominator. So this is 4 over 5 to the power of negative 8. And here 1. And 1 divided by 4 over 5 to the power of negative 8. So divide will become multiply. When we multiply, the fraction will be 5 over 4.
4.
That's why the answer is 5 over 4 to the power of negative 8.
Negative 8.
Okay. Tak buat ini tak apa. You terus saja ni, kalau dah mahir terus buat ini pun tak apa. Okay, tapi ingat positive become negative and fraction dia akan terbalik. Okay. Okay, next. F. M over N to the power of 15. Okay, become negative index form, negative 15. And this is fraction, become,
N over M.
yes, N over M. Okay, next, number 3. 3A. Simplify. 3 to the power of 2 multiply 3 power of 4 divided by 3 power of 8. Simplify. The base are same. So we copy the base. Then index 2
2 plus 4
multiply. So we need to plus
plus
2.
div
Divide.
minus 8.
Yes, minus 8. Very good. So 3 to the power of 2 plus 4, 6. Minus 8,
Okay.
negative 2. Simplify. You need to simplify. Means you need to give your answer in positive index form. When the question asks you to simplify, you give your answer in positive index form. So this is 1 over 3 to the power of
Negative
2.
2. Okay.
No need negative because this is numerator. Become denominator. Okay. For number 3, the question asks you to simplify. So you leave your answer 1 over 3 to the power of 2. If the question asks you to evaluate. If the question asks you to evaluate, so you need to give the final answer equal to 1 over 9. Okay. This answer for evaluate. Nilaikan. Evaluate, nilaikan. So kalau nak nilaikan means final answer mesti dalam bentuk nilai digit yang lain. Kalau ini simplify, simplify permudahkan. So permudahkan, ini jawapan yang termudah. Kalau evaluate 1 over 9. Okay, next. Ada 2 lagi. So hari ini lagi 2 lagi soalan. For B. 2 power of 4, power of 2, multiply 3 power of 5, power of 3 over 2 power of 8, multiply 3 power of 6, power of 2. Okay. Kita selesai satu-satu. Ini 4 and 2. So this is 2 power of 8. Multiply 3 power of 4 and 2 we multiply. 5 and 3 we multiply. So 3 power of 15. Over. And here we multiply 8 and 2. 6 and 2. So this is 2 power of 16 multiply 3 power of 12.
12.
So now we have two base, 2 and 3. What is the operation between numerator and denominator? What is the operation between numerator and denominator?
Plus.
What is the operation between 2 power of 8 and 2 power of 16 for the same base?
Minus.
Minus index.
Plus.
Index we minus, but the operation is 2 power of 8 divide 2 power of 16. Okay? 2 power of 8 over 2 power of 16. This is division. When division, the index we will minus. So this is 2 power of 8 minus 16 and multiply 3 power of 15 minus 12. Same case. This is 3 power of 15 over 3 power of 12. This is division, the same base. So when division for the same base, the index we will minus. So the answer is 2 power of negative 8 multiply 3 to the power of 3. Okay, this is not the simple, this is not a final answer. You need to simplify. Negative index form become positive index form 1 over 2 power of 8 multiply 3 power of 3. So final answer 3 power of 3 over 2 power of
8.
3 over 3 means 3 power of 3 means the denominator is 1.
1.
So fraction, numerator multiply numerator, you get for numerator. Denominator, you multiply for denominator. So you get the answer for denominator. Understand class for B?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, next, last one, C. Four m squared n power of 2 power of 2 over 2m power of negative 2 n power of 5 multiply 3m power of m n power of 4 and k. This is the answer. What is the first step? You look the bracket. So what is the first step?
Multiply.
Yes, very good. You multiply 4. This is 4 to the power of 1.
1.
So you multiply all index. Here 2. 2 power of
1.
1. So you multiply. Here n power of
1.
1 also multiply. So this is 3 power of 1. So you multiply. Multiply. N power of 1. Multiply. So now this is 4. 1 multiply 2. 2.
2.
M power of 2 multiply 2. 4.
4.
N
And
power
8.
of 4 multiply 2. 8. Over 2 in bracket. 1 multiply 5.
5.
5. M power of negative 10. Negative 2 multiply 5. Negative 10. N to the power of 5.
5.
Multiply. A in bracket. Still have bracket. So 1 multiply 2. So 3 to the power of 2. M power of 8. N power of
2.
2. Okay, done for the first step. Next step. You change the number for coefficient. So this is 16. 4 power of 2, 16. Okay. Tahu tak tekan calculator?
Tahu.
4 power of 2. Tekan macam tu boleh Tak
Boleh.
tahu tanya. Nanti saya buat kelas tunjuk cara tekan calculator pula. Okay, 2 power of 5. This is 32. M power of negative 10. N power of 5 multiply. 3 power of 2. 9. M power of 8. N power of 2. Okay. Sampai sini boleh tak?
Boleh.
Boleh Okay.
Wait, aku lag ke enemy lag?
Ya.
Soalan saya ni, saya salah tulis soalan ke?
Tak.
Boleh lah.
Saya ada tersalah tulis soalan ke ni? Tak apalah, saya teruskan saja. Sebab dia, method dia sama saja. Okay. Itu tadi. Saya tulis balik yang ini. Okay. Coefficient. Saya tulis coefficient dulu. 16 over 16 over 32 multiply 9. Okay, ini coefficient dia. Okay. Lepas tu, untuk unknown pula. M power of 4 and power of 8. So, M power of 4 and power of 8. For denominator, saya selesaikan yang denominator. M power of negative 10, M power of 8. This multiplication. So, saya boleh tambah. So, M power of negative 10 plus 8. And last, N. N power of 5 multiply N power of 7. So, 5 plus 2. So, N power of 5 plus 2. Okay, 16. 32. The answer is 1 over 18. Okay. And here, M power of 4, N power of 8 over, this is M power of negative 2, negative 10 plus 8, negative 2, N power of 7. So this is 1 over 18. Now, division. M power of 4 minus negative 2. This is division. So the index will minus. And negative 2 you write in bracket for your safety. Okay. This is N power of 8 minus 7. So final answer 1 over 18. M to the power of 4 minus. Become plus.
Positif.
M power of 6. N power of
1. And
1. But you cannot write like this. Wrong. Final answer 1 over 18. M power of 6. N.
N.
This is the final answer. Okay. Understand class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Saya rasa yang number 3C ni saya terambil soalan lain. Tapi tak apa, method dia sama. Lagi elok lah soalan ini lagi susah daripada yang example yang dalam textbook. So tak apa. Sama je cara dia. Elok pun awak dapat tengok yang soalan lebih susah. Okay. Ini soalan mind test 1.2F. Saya dah tersalah tengok. Ini soalan mind test 1.2F. Number TC. Saya dah bincang terus dah. Okay. Saya rasa itu saja. Ada apa-apa soalan boleh tanya dalam grup. Nanti kita bincang dalam grup. Atau perlu untuk buat Zoom discuss soalan, nanti saya akan maklumkan.